Hi friends, we're going to enter through this tutorial the equimaps tool in our equity movement, equimov.org webpage. So what you have to do is enter the equimov webpage and then click on the equimaps interactive. Once you've clicked there, you will see this window. You just need to click on here, key in Spanish, and then you will see how the StatPlanet software with our equimov database on equity indicators opens up. If you click in this bar in the center, you will see the different chapters of equity, sustainable health equity indicators. And you will see some that have to do with sustainability in carbon emissions, others that show you how we have selected the healthy and replicable and sustainable models, country models in the world. Others talk about the basic indicators of GDP, life expectancy, population, GDP per capita in countries. Others talk about the proportion of avoidable deaths. This is the most sensitive indicator of the burden of health inequity. This goes by major age groups and sex disaggregation. There's a chapter on ethical redistribution, which tells us about what would be the level of redistribution that would meet the deficit of countries living under the dignity threshold or the equity curve law threshold. Including also what we've estimated of life years lost to other countries because of excess accumulation. That leads us to the basic dimensions of the holistic health index. There's even a group of indicators on gender health equity, how the life expectancy sex difference at birth or at 60 years features throughout the world and across time, along the time. Life expectancy lost to global health inequity, and the equity zones, in which equity zone, be it deficit, equity curve, excess, surplus or excess accumulation, have countries been performing throughout these years. Most of the indicators go from year, let's say for instance, go from year 1960 till 2010. You will be able to click here and see the video of each indicator, and this graph here shows you how to combine the map representation with other graphs like bar graphs, either vertical or horizontal, scatter diagrams where you can correlate different indicators, including the bubble size of a third dimension. But we will go through them in different tutorials for each of the chapters. We really hope you enjoy and get inspired by this tool, which we feel it's pioneering a whole new discipline of health equity, sustainable health equity analysis and discussion. Thank you, and please visit the specific tutorials for each of the chapters of health equity.